starts. That is what is meant by this. Where the ASP ends, there the Nityananda Spurana starts. A small story. A man, lean, thin, black, tired, enters into the cabin of the doctor. Doctor thoroughly diagnoses him and says, your health is pretty bad. You must stop smoking immediately. Then he asked, do you have the habit of drinking? Yes, doctor, every day I start my day only with some drinks. Then doctor said, no, from today, not even from today, from this moment you should drop all your habits. It's a mandatory. You cannot have any more these habits. Finally doctor said, well, now it is $30 fees for my advice. You can go. The man replied, well doctor, but who is taking it? Who is going to take your advice? Whenever the rules and regulations are given, we have a natural tendency to resist. Whenever the spirituality is taught with rules and regulation, it never enters inside. But to start with, no other way, with few rules and regulations only, we start. That is why we gave few rules and regulations in the ASP. ASP is more like a set of rules with which you learn. But here, I am going to break all the rules. It is more like a guidance. Understand, if you live with the head, if you live with the intellect, if you live with a sense of entering always into others' boundary, you need rules, you need regulations. Now come down from that level, have more space, give more space for others. Instead of always entering into others' boundary, now allow others to enter into your boundary. In ASP we gave rules, regulations. The first session will be about the rules and regulations, because we have a tendency in the society always entering into others' territory. If you have 200-acre land also, when you put the fencing, at least 3 feet. Just 3 feet. Just 3 feet. You always feel. If you purchase 10,000 acre, again, just that 3-4 feet. We have the tendency of entering into others' territory. That is the reason you needed rules and regulations, the first session. But here, now you become naturally more mature, you have grown up. So you don't need rules and regulations. That is why the first session starts with dancing or ecstasy. You don't need any rules or regulation. You know the basic things or the guidelines. That's the reason I don't want to give any rule or regulation. I'll just give you few guidances to have maximum out of this 2 days. What the course is going to be, to tell you honestly, I do not know. I tell you honestly, I do not know. Somebody asked me, even yesterday night, Swamiji, what is this going to be? I said, I know only one thing, it is going to be grand. It is going to be ecstatic. When I came in the car, Machi was asking me, Swamiji, now at least you know that what you are going to speak. I said, I know only one thing. What is going to happen, I know. I do not know what I am going to speak. It is more and more going to be exploring your inner layers. See, in the ASP you studied about the 7 chakras. It is going to be the work on the 7 layers of your body. It's like you have 7 sweaters, one on, because you have so many layers. You are not able to directly relate with the reality, that's one thing. Because you have not used those layers totally, the life is not tasted, enjoyed as it is totally. We are going to work on the 7 layers of the body. There are going to be the techniques, methods to work on the 7 layers of the body. Somebody asked me, Swamiji, is it like an ASP? I tell you, it is not only not like ASP, it is not even a higher course for ASP. The ASP is totally different. This is going to be totally different. It is not the higher course. It is going to be totally different. So don't have any prejudice, any idea how this is to be, how this is going to be. Because whenever you come to know something earlier, you make the totally a mental plan. What you are going to do, what you are going to do, what you are going to do. And then you exactly go out, go in and go, come out. But here, I am not going to give you any mental plan. Just continuously be alive and active. Respond to the situation. Spontaneously respond to every moment. Continuously be alive and respond to the moments. One more beauty, above all, even the next batch who is going to attend the Nityananda Spurna will know what is the program. See, will know what is the program. Then the whole beauty is lost. It is always, whenever you know, the whole beauty is lost. Whenever you do not know, then the whole juice, the real juice is when the whole thing is new. When next time when you all go and spread, naturally they will come with some idea what it is going to be, how it is going to be. People asked me, Swamiji, if you advertise properly how the program is going to be, we will get more number. I said no. I said because no. I said no because I myself don't know what is going to be. Of bodies. So there are 7 major parts or the elements in the body layers. You need to understand 3 things. First thing, because of these body layers, you are not relating with the reality as it is. Because always all the mystics they say, world is God. God is everything. Whatever you see is God. Everything is God. But we don't feel whatever we see as God. We only feel it as a evil. We always feel everybody is trying to exploit us. Everybody is trying to enter into our territory. Everybody is trying to disturb us. So, what the mystic says is one thing. What you feel is totally different thing. Why we feel in this way? Because we were not able to relate with the reality as it is. First thing you need to understand. Next thing, because you have not used these layers, they become just cancer. Whenever something is not used in your system, if something is separate, somebody asked me, Swamiji, why did you make the ASP as the basic necessity to attend the NSP? You see, the person who has done ASP, not only that he knows the language, he knows the chakras, he knows the basic meditation, he actually feels the intimacy with Master. Even if you have done all these everyday evening satsangs, you will not feel the intimacy. Only when you have done the ASP, you will feel the intimacy. When you have intimacy, you can't close your eyes. In some meditations, I used to tell the people, all right, close your eyes. I've seen many people coming and telling me, Swamiji, just leave me, I'll open my eyes and sit and see you. That is the greatest meditation. When you actually feel the intimacy, you can't you can't close your eyes and sit. Only you are intellectual oriented, you can close your eyes and sit. So that is one more reason. There are so many things which happens when you do ASP, when you undergo the program. Not only you understand about chakras, you understand more. You understand just something happens to your being. When you don't use the energy layers, it becomes just a cancer. Whenever something is not becoming part of your being, part of your body, it becomes a separate growth. So these layers, if it has not become your part, it naturally becomes a cancer. That's the second thing. Third thing, unless otherwise you express, you start living these layers, you will never have the satisfaction that you lived. Because major portion of your life, if it is unlived, how will you have the satisfaction that you have lived? Not only for the spiritual growth, even for the ordinary